Happy Easter! I think I saw some eggs outside. The Easter Bunny left some eggs.
His face. Mommy's face.
Is it the Easter Bunny?
Yeah. With his face.
Oh no, silly Easter Bunny. Alright, go check. Go check outside the door. I think there's some eggs from the Easter Bunny. Yeah. What?
This is all one for you.
Aw. One for you. Hello, look, hello.
Open.
Open.
One for you. Open.
Oh, sharing. Open, open. Happy Easter, sis.
Sabi ng mga boys.
Open. Okay, Ate Holly will help. All right, wait.
There's more.
There's more.
Hello, you may open it? Open, please.
Ayla, who left these? Who left these eggs?
It's a bunny.
Very
Easter
good.
Bunny. Why are we eating it already early in the morning? Huy, boy. Easter kasi daw.
That's yours.
All right, keep walking. I think we'll find more.
Yeah, I have one. Mommy.
I think there's more. Yummy.
A sample.
Oh, what?
Yeah, I know, right?
Okay, I know, pick it up, I know.
What? Alo, what is this?
Go hunt.
Go, Han, go.
Go, Alo.
Oh my God.
I got this.
Go, Alo. Pick it up, Alo. Wait. Where's your basket? Here, pick it up.
Basket's full.
Oh.
I don't.
What's that?
Oh my gosh.
Mommy eats some
That's why niya binubuksan niya sis.
Kaya nga, Alo, don't open it yet. There's more. He got one already. He ate one already.
He's done.
Pick up all the eggs.
There's lots of eggs here. Arlo, where's your bucket?
Oh my gosh.
Bucket? Pick them up, darling.
Ayla, pick it up. Where's your bucket?
Get out of the way. Well, there is some smaller buckets. I've got four.
Okay. Their basket is full
Put it in
already.
your shoes. Yeah, that's a good idea.
Put it in that. Use that, Ayla. Use that. All right, go pick up all the eggs.
Pick it up, Ira. Go.
Arlo's just throwing it.
Oh.
Arlo!
No, baby, pick it up.
Arlo, pick it up.
I want chocolate.
I love chocolate eggs.
Pick it up.
Go, Ayla, go. On the table. Yay!
Put the table and put the table.
Yeah.
Yeah, the Easter Bunny did it.
Yung dalawa parang macho. Di man lang nagbihis.
Allo, where's yours? You got egg.
Thank you. Egg?
Ano na secret dyan siya?
I got something for you.
Oh, Tita Manay's got something for you, ate. What?
Wow.
What do you say?
Put it on. Oh, treat.
Two.
Ayla, what's that, Ayla? What do you say?
Oh no.
Oh no. Oh no.
Here.
What are you doing?
I know.
Boy?
I know.
Wait, sa inayos niya.
I know. Here.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, Kinder.
Ate.
Yes.
Yay! Happy Easter!
I know.
Alo! Alo!
I know.
Huy!
Dong. Dito pagkain. Alam.
Wala siyang pakialam. Thank you, sis.
Dong.
Bakit may padamit?
Dong. Dong. Dong.
Alo!
Huwag mo akong iniis na.
Hoy! Meron pa!
Oh.
Ay, wait, can you turn that on? Who's that? What's her name?
Don't look. What's this?
Oh, Jesus.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Look.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Alo, look.
Alo, what's this?
Look. What's this?
Excavator.
Excavator.
Okay. May, you can't keep opening new one. Here. Alo.
That.
Open that.
Oh, that's cute. And Arlo. Oh, no.
What?
Wait,
Go, Arlo!
One for Arlo.
One for Arlo! Oh, yeah!
Oh, happy Easter! Oh, he just wants the bunny. Look at him. May, you take this. Ah.
He's a bunny.
Oh. Open. He wants to keep opening new ones. No, this one. Kaya nga.
Tapos niya doon sa bag niya.
Ay, nako. Oh my gosh, Ayla. Seriously? Oh my gosh. That's Alos. May, look, you've got a basket. It's cool. Alo. Alo.
He's a bunny.
You put it there.
Galit na si Arlo kaka-open ng ego.
Flower. Saan yung ano ate?
Arlo,
Ayla.
Arlo, come in, look. Who's driving the excavator? Look,
Alo.
who's driving the excavator?
History.
Who's that?
Oh, it's a dinosaur in the excavator.
Hindi ko yun napansin.
He's so happy. Look at him. Oh my gosh, Al.
Dinosaur!
Ah, that's so cool. He loves that.
This is Arlo, size 3.
It is your basket.
This is yours.
Egg, another egg.
This is yours, ate.
Big egg, yes. Thanks, Daddy. Daddy will help you, Bob. Sobrang dami niya kasing binili. Sobrang dami niyang binili. Puro na lang egg. O,
Bili ko sa akin. Damis niya lang kasi.
ang kakain, mga bata din natin. Oh my gosh, guys. Ang dami nating Easter eggs. Oh, may KitKat na Easter egg? Akin na yan.
Masarap kaya ito, Day.
Yung ano yan? No, kasi manipis lang. Kukuha ako ng mga chocolate na ikikip ko. Ikaw, kuha ka din. Baka maubos na to, sis. Paano naman tayo? Lind pala to. Yeah. Kaya kakuha ka, Lind.
I think Coffin Base
Sarap yan.
the full drive stuff. Yeah.
Ah, diba?
I watch these YouTube videos that people sing.
3 I love you. Ano yung malaki? Kasi punta daw tayo Coffin Bay today. To Sandy daw. To Sandy. Sa 4-wheel driving. Ano yung masarap man eh? Ito masarap ba to?
Masarap to. Yan.
Yung crunchy?
Ayaw ko yung crunchy.
Ayaw mo yung crunchy? Ano yung masarap? Yung lint lang? Pero pure chocolate to, di ba?
Oo.
Okay. Wala! She wants to put it on.
Okay, remove this.
Take off your pajamas first. Who gave this to you? What do you say?
Hi.
Aww.
Tita Andy?
Ito pala yung Easter basket na ginawa ni Easter Bunny kagabi. Si Easter Bunny na yung gumawa yung isang Easter Bunny yan. Kasi natulog na kami ng mga bata. Tinago ko na yung mga bata para magawa niya to. Sinalagyan niya ng malaking bunny.
Look at you have to say.
Ito, Kinder. Ang dami pala nito talaga. And, Kinder Bunnies. Parang mag si Jollibee to, oh.
You wear your rainbow.
Ano pa? KitKat, meron din. So, pwede naman dito ako kumuha pala. Milky ba? Dami, guys. Good job, Easter Bunny lang. Balik ko to dito kasi kay Arlo to.
It's yucky.
Well done, Easter Bunny. O, diba? Oh, matchy-matchy na silang dalawa. Happy Easter! Easter colors as well.
Oh, no.
Well done, guys.
This is for Daddy.
Oh, it's for Daddy.
Thank you very much. And that you want.
Good sharing.
Thank you, Princess.
How about me?
Sis,
How about me?
ano na to? Tingnan mo. Yung siguro haba.
Yeah.
Gusto ko masuot na agad.
Put my money.
Oh, nagsishare siya ng ano. Tita Manay.
Arlo.
Oh my gosh, si Arlo na talaga nakailan na. Ha? There. The pin is there, babe. Thank you, baby. That's mine. Is it okay? Mommy kept 3 for herself.
Where's everybody chocolate? Look.
Si Arlo. Oh, it's okay, Ayla. Share. Alo, here you go. Kahit na ang dami pang laman ng bibig.
Open.
Kain na naman ka. Anong oras na ba? Mga 10 something na ata ngayon. Magki-Kmart kasi kami ni Manay. Kasi pupunta kami ng beach. Tapos ang ganda tingnan ng rock pool na pupuntahan namin din. So gusto namin bumili ng swimwear. And timing na timing open yung Kmart. So kakain kami tapos punta tayong Kmart. Yes.
Para masukat natin kung gano'n talaga.
Dapat daw may laman na yung tiyan before magsukat. Kasi baka hindi na magkasya guys after.
Sir, paano?
Hi. So leftover sabaw. Nag-offer kami ng pancakes sa mga yan. Ayaw nila. Busog na busog sa mga tsokolating kinain. So kami na lang kakain. Ganda. Hala, si Arlo boy. Arlo, what do you want?
Come here, Alice, you want something.
Ay,
Oh my God.
What? Up.
Arlo, what do you want?
Kaya lang kami nang kain dito sa holiday namin. Tapos mamaya maglalaing.
Ay, may ano na tayo, ingredients na tayo, kompleto na.
Kompleto na.
Uy, anong mamaya maglalaro? Magpapag man tayo mamaya pa.
Ayaw mo pala. Bukas pa pala, sorry, bukas.
Arlo boy, what are you doing, boy? You wanna go in the high
In the
chair?
high chair.
Oh, wait, in the high chair. I didn't need to go in the high chair, Mom.
Ano, Arlo, please.
Yung camera ko, boy.
Come on.
Here we go. High chair. High chair.
Let's get a picture.
Baka maikot ka. Just be careful with your fingers, please. It's okay, Ayla. Arlo's practicing. He wants to practice. That's okay. You know how to put on seatbelt already. You're a big girl. Now he's practicing, okay? Good job, Arlo. And then push. Watch your fingers.
Ano gusto niya?
Help now.
Mag-seatbelt.
Mommy, speak on now.
Alam mo, tamang-tama yung luto. Kasi ubus talaga. Pag naubos natin po. Cabbage baba?
Ayla. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, Arlo, eat.
May ano, beans dye.
Do you want green beans, Arlo?
No more chocolate today. No more chocolate. Throw some cereal.
You want cereal, ate?
Cereal. Okay. I'll see to them.
What cereal should you done?
Please.
Wait,
Do you want cereal? What does he? You want cereal or that?
Mommy,
Do you want cereal or rice?
That was valid.
Cereal.
Cereal.
You want one of these? Honey? You want cereal?
Thanks, Daddy. Ready na kami ulit, Mrs. Punta kaming Kmart, guys. Ha? Ayun pa nga. Ayan, ano ba yun?
May chipa yata.
Okay pa? Ah, dito na lang.
Ian, Johnny to move his car.
What's that, mate?
Ayan, ayun na lang. Okay.
Oh, wait.
So do I need that to close the garage or something?
No, we'll close it. Just
Okay. Sige. Punta kaming Kmart, bili kami swimwear. Pero napako na yun sa mga bata. Ready na yun lahat. Move lang ni John yung car. Ah, sige. Umauna na ako kasi i-adjust ko pa yung seat. No. Sorry, can I have my phone? Is it not there? On the bench? Move lang ni Johnny Boy yung kanyang big car. Ang lamig ng car namin, sis.
Kahit saan naman bahay, mapabahay, mapakar, Alaska field.
Enough ko? Kailangan mo on.
Off na muna siya.
Oh, sa lamig. Alaska feels.
Tapos lagi, mapabahay.
And we're here. In fairness sa Kmart ha, open sila today. Easter Sunday kaya. Alright, swimsuit diretso. Guys, dus na lang. Bilhin ko to. Awesome. For Arlo. Punta tayo, diretso na tayo sa swimsuit sis. Tara. Tara. Ay, ang cute. Ay, gihak. Wow, nade-distract ako. Ang daming cute. Okay, come on. Laki. Ayan. Oh, na-distract na naman. 3 na lang kasi. Ang cute niyan. Ayan, 3 na lang. Ayun. Ay, 11 pareho.
Excuse me.
Ah, sorry. Wala nang para kay... Ay, ano na na lang, Manay. Sports bra.
Kaya nga, saan?
Meron yan sila. Uy, ano man yan? Hindi man yan seasonal. Wait, yun na lang. Na baka may rainbow pa, di ba? Parang dito ata yun. Wait. Here. Sukat kami, guys. Mamadali na to. Ang dami pang dala. Tayo na talaga. Yung iba pang workout, yung iba mga ganito. Bodysuit. Try natin. Ay, ikaw na talaga ang may nakuhang ano. Itong high-waisted. Ay, kasya siya sa aking belly. Para lang akong ewan tingnan. Naiihi ako. Ano? Ibon? Parang ibon. Nakabalik na kami. Binili ko to kasi ang cute. $2 lang for Arlo. And then, nipple concealer kasi yung susuotin ko is bodysuit. So, suotin ko na to ngayon. Ako na talaga ang magbabodysuit. At saka sunscreen lang. Yun lang. Lagay na natin yan dyan. Ready na yan ni Dan. It is 12:27 and we're heading to Coffin Bay.
Where's that?
I don't know. It is 33 minutes away. So, punta kami doon and we will go sa beach doon. Nandun din ata yung Oyster HQ. Doon kami parang doon ata kami magla-lunch. So, my fit is the bodysuit that we got from Kmart. Ito na yung isi-swimming ko mamaya, guys. Wala na talaga silang swimwear na display kasi hindi na summer. So, bodysuit na lang tayo. Tapos, bumili din ako nipple cover kasi wala siyang foam. Yung bodysuit mismo. So, wala na. Para nang wala. And then, I'm just wearing this polo. Guess ako ito galing. Set to siya. But yeah. Let's go! Where are we going first? Lunch?
Lunch.
Okay.
Lunch.
Lunch first. Is that the HQ?
Yeah.
So we can have some oyster there. Okay na kami. Hindi kami gutom yung mali. Kumain kami, diba? Dito na kami sa Coffin Bay. Malapit na kami, guys. We are 1 minute away from the restaurant and cops are out. Every day may nakikita kami mga police. Pinag-pull over nila yung mga, hala, tayo din. Ay! Go kami. Thank you, sir. Good job, sir.
Why does that have to stop?
That's an oyster
We're
farm.
lucky.
Yung mga sticks daw, ano daw yan? Yan yung kumukuha ng oyster. O dyan dumidikit, they stick on it. Oysters?
So, no, they go in cages.
Ah, cage. May cage pala. Ayan.
They're like pots. They're doing oyster testing there. They go out and they get oysters there.
Oh yeah. Guys, see? There's people there eating fresh oysters.
You want it?
I don't want fresh oysters now. I can't eat fresh oyster anyway because I have a baby in my belly. Hindi ko pa yan na-try. I don't wanna try. Watch out. Oh. Watch out.
You know what?
Only
Now watch out for this
healthy.
one. Sorry, ate?
Only healthy.
Only healthy food for mommy. Yes, baby.
You know what? Let's just park here.
So, Coffin Bay is known for their oysters. And yeah, sobrang sarap daw ng fresh oyster.
All my boys are asleep.
Yeah, that's okay. He's sleeping, mate. We're here. Ang daming tao, sis. May booking tayo, di ba? Dito na pala kami, guys. So, ang baboy ko. Suot-suot na niya yung binili natin sa Kmart. Ang cute sa kanya. Pulang-pula siya today. Kikita ka talaga ng mga pulis doon. Buboy. Sarap ng tulog ni Buboy.
Let's see a boy.
Alam mo yung naiwan ko? Battery. Naka-charge doon. Baba, don't shake it, baby.
Hi, guys.
Lumipat ang boys, guys, kasi ang init dito. I mean, kami okay lang kami, but mainit kasi yung dito, dyan. Nandun na din si Arlo, naka-high-chair, ang cute niya. Ang baba niya.
Go, baby.
Wala pa yung food ni Dan, pero sabi ni Minay, ang sarap daw ng kanya.
Chicken pala sa kanchi.
In fairness dito, kung ano-ano lang yung meron sila. May Korean chicken, may dumplings, may nachos. Nachos nga in-order ko eh. Baka magsisi ako do sa in-order ko. Ako na talaga nag-order ng nachos dito sa Oyster HQ.
Kaya nga. Okay.
Ito yung order namin. 3 flavors na oyster. So we have Kilpatrick, ito yung may cheese, tapos meron din kaming chorizo. And that's my order. Ako na talaga ang nagnachos. Guys, ang sarap ng mga food. Hindi ko pa wala pang natatry, pero parang ang sarap-sarap ng mga
Lahat.
Yeah. Ito binigyan ako, hindi ko na na-vlog yung kay Dan na para siyang seafood platter. May ganito. Kumuha lang ako konti. Gusto ko yung sauce niya doon. Nandun na kasi siya sa baba. Hirap na niya, hindi na siya ma-reach. Sarap pa din kahit walang sauce. Ang sarap ng butter manoy. Pakaisa din ako. Ang sarap ng butter. Hindi, antayin.
Crispy niya. Masarap. Lahat masarap. Meron pa tayong darating.
Ay, what?
Yung cup. Seafood cup yung sis. Ayan na, seafood chowder. Thank
Oh
you.
my gosh, that looks good. Thank you. I know this is too much.
I know.
Here, calamari share tayo.
And
Oh my gosh, hindi yan yung iniisip ko yung kay Zach pala.
yung kaysa.
I got my cocktail.
Ano nga tawag dito? Seafood chowder?
Chowder.
Chowder. And nag-order din ako ng seafood chowder. Yeah. Ayan.
Kain tayo guys. Nachos.
Mommy, I want to taste that.
What do you want to taste, baby?
Of course.
No, that one.
Nachos? Which one?
This?
That's for ano, baby?
This? Hindi yan magustuhan kasi maasim. Sige nga. Bigyan mo.
Which one, baby? This one?
Sige po, bigyan mo yun. Try mo. Hindi yan magustuhan. Maasim.
I try.
Which one's really good? Which one?
That one? The roll, see? Nice. You want to taste the fishiness? It's so yummy. So yummy. Yung fresh. Ang sarap ng fresh.
Try na talaga ng buusap ang layo-layo
namin eh.
Nagsisigawan siya.
Mama. Mommy, I'm all done.
Ako hindi ako pwede.
Sabi ko sa kanya, try niya.
Ito
Una sabi niya,
mga grilled lang ako. Yung luto pa guys.
This one.
This is the one I wanted to try sa menu.
That's what
Meron
I
siyang
think.
cheese. Oh my gosh. Oh, ito, sa'yo. Try mo
Ano
yung
yan?
may cheese kasi meron pala ako isa dito. Iniwan pala ni Dan.
ano to? Cheese.
Yung may cheese.
Sige.
Na may bacon,
Try
na may
natin.
chili. Na may spinach. Try mo.
Ito yung tatlo. Ayun,
Yeah.
may sauce siya sa ilalim.
Kaya nga, try mo yan. Feeling ko masarap to. Kasi may cheese.
Hindi ba parang init?
Ang init nga.
Kaya napipilit ko. Natural pa
Dahan-dahan
naman-
lang.
Natural pa naman yung kinakain ko. Feeling ko
Uy,
mainit.
feeling sa kanila, ang dami natin in-order. Ang bilis. Ang
Oo,
bilis,
no?
yeah.
Okay, try ko na ito.
Sige. Sarap. Yung
Mm.
topping. Yeah.
May parmesan cheese.
Kaya nga. 3 cheese yan.
Ito yung sarap.
Doesn't work.
Very good. Yan, sarap ng sabaw. Ay, ang sarap. Ay, ang sarap ng lahat.
What's this? Mom, I just got served.
Oh, I love the cheese.
Mom, I got served already. Let me see what I have with my dumpling.
Alam niyo bang isa to sa kinikrave ko? As soon as nabuntis ako. Hindi ko lang alam na buntis pa ako nun. Lagi lang akong nachos. Pero mura lang to. 19 lang. Chowder.
Chowder, there's
soup,
something in
seafood
that.
soup, something. Masarap din man eh. Kung gusto mo to.
Got something.
Yun.
Ano na naman niya kita mo? May pa-spring roll.
Only one at the boys' table.
You look good, ate. I love Isla's outfit lang.
Good? Ha? Tayo ka na nagmukbang dito. Ang sarap. Ang
No?
sarap.
I'm gonna open.
Danny boy,
What do you got there?
nachos. There's no meat, it's
Here.
just beans.
No, that one, mate.
This one,
No,
try.
that one, mate.
There, cheesy pa. Babe, you happy?
It's always happy grass when it's not food in front of you.
Food makes him happy. Try mo to, ibang flavor naman. Chorizo.
Yan. Chorizo. Itinda.
Si Kilpatrick ka lang at first, diba? Chorizo naman yan niya.
Try natin chorizo ni
And
Sisi.
she needs to go to the room.
Okay.
Sarap din. Kuya TJ is ordering, so he should be close to the
Hi,
toilet.
Holly, hold her hand, please.
Tito John's there.
Okay. I'm done with this.
Hindi tapos ka na?
No.
Sige.
Inom tayo ng tubig. Ay, tubig.
Masarap yung mocktail ko.
Akin maasim-asim. Maasim-asim yung akin.
Uy, maanghang-anghang yung chorizo.
Kaya nga, may kick siya. Buti si Arlo nakikisama din na hindi siya lumalabas sa kanyang cage.
Yan.
Ay, may isa pa pala. May naiwan pang isa. May naiwan pang isa. Ito, try mo. Kunin mo yung prawns. Akin yung
Ayoko
maso.
ng prawn. Ayoko din ng
Maso.
maso.
Oh my God.
Okay na ako.
Sabi mo.
Ano, bread lang at saka ano yung akin. I-dip ko lang sa bread.
Ay, sarap.
Ha?
Try mo.
Ayoko nga, ayoko.
Smoky.
Thank you.
How's yours? How's yours?
It looked really good, yours.
There, what's it called?
Seafood chowder.
Chowder. You wanna try?
Go for it. Diba, nachos ang popular.
Kasi yun ang kilala. Ang sarap.
Mama, my food, Dad.
I'll get you juice, stay there.
Where are we going?
Where do you want to go?
Hindi ko na alam.
She goes, to be honest with you, I don't like your order.
Raz doesn't ever get to good order when she orders food.
Smile.
Ang cute ng dalawa.
Ay,
Na.
ay, look. What's this?
Tapos na kami doon. Food was good. Masarap. Did you enjoy?
Yeah, it was good. Very nice.
Yeah. Sobrang nagustuhan ko yung yung may cheese na oyster. Gusto ko yun. Yeah, that was a must to go, guys. Kung pupunta kayo ng Fort Lincoln, go to Oyster HQ. Because in fairness sa kanila, ang dami nilang food options. Hindi lang puro oyster. Kasi, expect ko puro oyster, but no. Meron silang mga baobabs, mga Korean fried chicken, may mga ganun. So, you want to... Now, we're heading to... What beach is it?
Greenleaf.
Greenlee Beach. We're going to Greenlee Beach. Meron silang rock pool doon. It looks really good sa photo. I hope it's not that busy.
Are you gonna go in straight away?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure, but I will go in. Yes.
I'm swimming in this.
I know. I'm swimming in this. I'm swimming in this bodysuit.
I'm swimming in this.
Are you? Okay.
I'm swimming in this.
How about you, Alo? Okay, baby. You have swimwear? You brought your
Put
swimwear?
your babies on, princess. They got better cover. They got better cover.
Dito na kami. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng beach.
Come here, Anna.
Dinner time! Coffin Bay Hotel. Meron kaming reservation dito ng 6:30. Where's your shoes? Where's your shoes? Missing? Boo! Daddy's got it. Do you know wear shoes? What's your special today, sir?
Have we got carrot sausages? And fish in the
Yeah, maganda nga yung menu nila. Food's finally here, guys. After mga isang oras siguro yun, kami naghintay. But yung sa kids, kanina pa dumating. Yung amin lang, yung kakarating lang. Is that No, it's scallops. So I ordered deviled scallops. So meron siyang scallops, tas may bacon and my rice. And Manay got baby back ribs. Let's eat, guys. Yan din yung aking drink. Lemon bitters as usual. Yung kids tapos na kumain. So kain na ako habang masaya to.
Oh my God.
Sobrang sarap ba?
Falling apart.
Ah, yeah. Kaya ang tagal dumating.
How's your ribs turned?
Ay! Thank you. Suot-suot ko pala yung jacket ni Zach kasi ang lamig-lamig, guys. Thank you. I'm wearing your jacket. Ay, dapat dito ko siya. Ah, sarap? Oh, that's good. Ako na talaga ang may rice.
Do you want to finish that, Mom? You'll have to dry it off.
How's your ano? Dito natin try down.
Ang sarap sabi
Dito na lahat.
Look, you want to try the video?
What do you want to watch? Dinosaurs? Much better than dun sa ano. Sa prawn, sa kabila.
First of all, video.
Kain ka. It's good, yeah. Kuha ka nga. Ang dami.
Nothing like it. Malaki yung serving nila. Sis, tumigil ka na.
I don't want to drive and I didn't say it.
Isa lang. Kunin mo nga to.
Hindi na maiiyak na nung kami pag sinusukatan ng dami.
Maawa ko na akin.
The ribs.
Good, yeah.
Kabaw-baw. Kapaw pa lang dito. Kaya mas gusto. Stars naman dyan. Like burn?
Because one of the charities I think it was at.
Even